comes. It's my Valentine gift. Valentine came early. Hey, you can see the way that the package is. I have bought a lot of other laptops, but they were never packaged this way. It feels like you also have to pay for the package because it looks supreme. Hey. It's like you have to pay for this package because the way that my other laptops comes, they come all ghetto. And then it is a Dell laptop. My old Valentine gift. They call it Valentine, I call it love day. But every day of course is a love day, but you just need to appreciate yourself each and every day, once in a while. So this is my Valentine. Whoa. Okay, my gift to myself. If you don't want to be disappointed, buy yourself things. It's only you that can make yourself happy. If you depend on other people to make you happy, my dear, you will be disappointed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time, please feel welcome. Like and subscribe to my channel and I will keep you entertained. So basically, after I damaged my laptop, I don't even know what I was thinking. I got myself some new laptop. I was between, should I get a Mac or should I get a Dell? But you know, I like my Windows, so I decided let me go for a Dell. Mac maybe another time, but the price range is the same, so it's just my preference, guys. No hate. So it took like 2 days for this delivery to be ordered, since there was a special and they couldn't provide the goodies online, and we are also on lockdown, so it's just online shopping basically, making sure. So I don't know how this laptop look in person. I just ordered it online and I like what I saw. So let's open this to see if it really meets my needs. So this is my package detail. Okay, the Dell package slip. Shipped to who? Okay. From where is it coming from? From which country is it coming from? Do I really need to read this? Why am I tearing this like that? In cases I will need to return it. I get so excited. Okay, let's see. What does this letter say? Okay, this is just the shipping details. So basically I bought this. It was on special, and then I bought it for 1,500 euros, which is equivalent to 20 something American dollars. But I mean a good computer. It's just like you're driving, you're working for, if you're working for Mercedes-Benz, obviously you will also want a good, you know what are the good deals. So how should I open this? Because if it's not working, I will need to return it back. So I need to make sure. Let's see. So this is my Valentine gift for myself, girls. If you don't want to be disappointed, buy yourself things. It's only you that can make yourself happy. If you depend on other people to make you happy, my dear, you will be disappointed very much. Not even your parents can make you that happy, but you yourself knows what can make you more happier. Your parents try, but I mean only you. Ooh, whoa. Okay, is this how the package? It comes like this. The laptop comes like this, so I guess this is for extra protection. I mean, it's an expensive laptop. And then this. And yeah, here you go. Okay. At first I was doubting, man. I was having two choices: Dell 15, Dell XP 15, or Mac 16 inches. I was in between. I really needed to. I was like, I'm going for quality and memory space. So I was just in between Mac and this one, cause with a Mac 16, with the specs that you can get, Mac is quality also. I mean, like real quality. But I was like, Mac or this, and then I was looking at the storage space, comparing those, you know, hardware, comparing the RAM and all those things. Then I just ended up buying myself a Dell because I'm a Windows person. So Mac maybe another time, because if I have to. And I was also looking on the cost thing, because with Mac you will need to buy different accessories to attach, and since I don't have a Mac since I don't have a Mac phone, I was like, Mac, I can see you. I will wait for you another time. Not today, but hopefully in the near future I will buy you when I become more comfortable, because right now of course was the one, but I mean it's almost equivalent to maybe second place. But yeah, remember. So how should I open this? Wow, the way that this computer comes, hey, you can see the way that the package is. I have bought a lot of other laptops, but they were never packaged this way. It feels like you also have to pay for the package because it looks supreme. Hey. It's like you have to pay for this package, because the way that my other laptops comes, they come all ghetto. And then you have this protection layer. Dull. Okay, it looks like it looks like it's a card gift. Then you have all your instructions, all your what, and then we come to the real deal. Damn, it looks so pretty. I love it. Damn, it looks, no wonder I paid that much. No wonder I paid that much. But I mean, material for that. It's only my own preferences, but it depends on what you do with your laptop. If you do normal things, then you don't require huge spaces and features and all that. But if you need more description on what those features and what laptop suit best for you, let me know. Let me know. And then I will make another video about what to look out if you need to buy a new laptop, or if you are looking to buy certain laptops. Whew. Damn. Yo. Just look here. It's my first time having a laptop like this, but I deserve it, man. It's my Valentine gift. Valentine came early. Whew. But the thing is that I don't even have to tell my parents how much this laptop costs. Hey, they will be shocked. But I mean, it's education. It's education. This laptop costs more than I paid for my first year tertiary. This laptop costs more than my tertiary fees. Okay, but I needed it. I needed it. Sometimes you just need to do it for yourself. I don't regret it. I need it. I don't regret it. Ooh, and that is how it looks. Ooh. Damn, this laptop looks like a Mac, but it's not a Mac. This is high level. We are talking about high level. Damn, my baby. What should I call this? It's my baby. What should I call it? What should I call it? Oh yeah, I will call it Tanky. That's a bamboo name. Thank you. So this is my little Tanky. Little Tanky. Little Tanky. Okay. What should I do? Do I need now to switch on the laptop because it's the first time starting. I need to follow instruction because it's on warranty for 1 year, and any simple mistakes. Okay, let's see in the box what is there. But oh, okay, they gave me this. So where's my charger? So where's my charger? Okay, so it comes with this charger. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, darling. Okay. Okay, how should I even remove this thing now? So you just do this. Because I need to test these things out. I need to test it out, otherwise. What are they saying? Should I put it on power? Instruction, first instruction, of course, yeah. They were saying first instruction, put it on power. I don't want to download. Oh, put on power, switch on the power button, and then 3, the Windows will be operating, and then you plug in support assistance. Okay. This is amazing, and the reason why I like this laptop, it's because, you know, it also has the card if you are recording yourself, where it has a lot of ports. Let me not go deep into IT. It has a lot of ports, and I just love it. I just love it. It's beautiful, and it has an SD card, which is fine, and it comes with core. Hold on. Didn't they give me the 9th generation? I will need to Intel, because when I read the thing, it was written Intel 9, but here it's saying Core i7. But let me confirm that once I switch it on. Once I switch that on.